Hello everyone. So let's discuss work rates. One of the most tested concepts. But for this tutorial, I want us to focus on only one key thing. That is the use of this formula, 1 over t equals 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c plus 1 over d down to infinity. T means the time it will take A, B, C, and D working together to finish a task. Of course, the plus sign means they are working together. Assuming some of them are working in opposite directions, so those ones in opposite direction will have been assigned negative sign. So A is the time it will take A alone, A working alone to complete the task, same as B, same as C, same as D. But let's assume that only two machines are working. If only two machines or two people are working, so we have only 1 over A plus 1 over B. This formula reduces to T equals, remember, A times B, that's the LCM of AB is L times B, or also the multiple of B of AB, or one multiple of AB is A times B. So AB is multiple of A and B. So if you resolve this, because at some point we are going to have 1 over T equals B plus A over AB. So if you resolve it, turn it upside down, you get to this point, AB over A plus B. Remember, these are working in the same direction. So that is synergy. Another one. Let's say two machines or two people are working opposite direction. Opposite direction here means maybe one is trying to fill a tank and the other one is trying to empty it. Oh, so this changes to negative, that's all. Minus 1 over B. And when we resolve this, we are going to get T equals AB over A minus B. It will not be A minus B, it will be B minus A. In as much as A is faster than B, that means B is greater than A. Remember that A being faster than B means the time for A is smaller. So B is actually greater than A. Time is greater, but in terms of speed, A is greater. So this is opposite direction. Next, let's try sample questions. 3 workers, so we can just name these 3 workers A, B, and C, can complete a piece of work in 6 days. A takes 15 days less and less than B to complete the same task. Finding how many days we C completes the whole work alone with 75% of his original efficiency. If 15 days less than, okay. If B can do the work in 35 days, it doesn't matter. What matters is getting the question solved. But so we can start representing this from what we know. Remember, there's always kind of magic. So mathematics is not really about magic, but there is a method behind the magic. Have your own method. Have your own structure. Solve question from what you already know. So from here we can say, remember the formula again, 1 over T equals, this is for 3. 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. 3 people working together. So this now become, we know 1, which is 1 over 35. Doesn't really matter. So the one that is faster. What matters is we are able to represent this. 1 is at 5. We do know that the other one is 1 over 20. You know how we got 20. 35 minus 15 is 20. Then plus 1 over C. So let's just call it T. Doesn't really matter. But we are told that that one is working only 75%. Here, efficiency equals time. So efficiency here is in terms of capacity utilization. So can utilize only 75% of his time. So we put T here. Then 1/6 equals 1/35 plus 1/20 plus this is 3/40, which now becomes 4/30. Remember, if you have 1 divided by 3/40, so we now have 1 times so we also turn this one upside down. It becomes 4/30. So this becomes 4/30. So that's how we got 4/30. The next thing is, what is the LCM of 6, 35, 20, and 3? The easier thing to do is to start with the higher number. And the higher number here is 35. And start looking for multiples of 35 that 20 can divide and 6 can also divide. By the way, we're also looking at 30. We just need to add, multiply it with T. We don't need to bother ourselves. So we don't need to bother ourselves about 3 because 3 is embedded in 6. So how to think about it. 35 plus 35 is 70. So 70 will not work. 20 cannot divide 70. Plus 35, which is 105. In fact, all the multiples of 35 that 20 can divide should at least end with 0. So let's 70 plus 70, 140. 20 can divide 140, but 6 cannot. Plus another 70, 210. 6 can divide 210, but 20 cannot. Plus another 70, 280. 280, 6 cannot. 280 plus 70, 350, 20 cannot. Then 350 plus 70, 420. Yes, 6 can divide 420 and 20 can divide 420. So that is the lowest common multiple. So we are taking the lowest common multiple. So the LCM, it was 420 T. We start multiplying. 420 divided by 6 is 70 T. 420 T divided by 35. Remember that 420 divided by 70 is 420 divided by 70 is 6. So divided by 35, we double. That will be 12T. This is 21. 20 times 21 is 420. This last one, the T, we clear this because this T is going to divide the T multiplied here. So now what we now have is 3. 420 divided by 3. Remember, when 6 divided by 420 divided by 6 is 70. So 420 divided by 3, we double it, which is 140. 140 times 4 will give us 560. When we collect like terms, 12 plus 21 is 33. 70 minus 33 is 37. 37T equals 560. So T equals 560 over 37. That's simple. No, not that it's simple, not that it was too fast. Of course, you can actually jump steps. But what matters is that you are able to utilize what you already know. Next question. So another ABC type of question. But this time around we are told that ABC complete a piece of work in 6 days, for which they are paid sum of 480 rupees. So in one day will now be 480 divided by 6. 480 divided by 6 is 80. B corresponds to 5. That is 5 over the total. The total is 4 plus 5 plus 7, which is 16. 16 times 80. Again, 80 divided by 8. 80 divided by 8 is 10. So 80 divided by 16 means double it. That means 80 divided by 8 is 10. So 80 divided by 16 means to reduce the number by 1.5. So this becomes, this will give us 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 also the answer.